His Excellency Ambassador of India, Dr. Deepak Mittal, Madam Ambassador, Dr. Alpana Mittal, Srimati Angeline, Consular, Sri Xavier Dhanraj, First Secretary, Sri Sachin Shankpal, First Secretary, Dr. Sonia Kundu, Captain Mohan Atla, Dr. Vijaya Lakshmi Lavate Atla, Sri Babu Rajanji, Dr. Mohan Thomas, Sri Jiyad Usmanji, and our own Nilambari Sawadikar, community leaders, dignitaries, MMQ advisors, ex-presidents, core committee members, and the businessmen and entrepreneurs, philanthropists, and all the dignitaries, colleagues, and my friends. And also, I would like to say hello to those who are watching through YouTube and Facebook Live and all. Thank you so much. Maharashtra is a land of saints. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the inspiration of all of us and the world. Maharashtra has also a very diverse community, but seamlessly bonded together and deeply connected to the soul of great nation India. Today is a historical day from Maharashtra Mandal, Qatar, as we are doing semi-physical event to showcase glimpses of rich Maharashtrian culture and food. In presence of so many dignitaries, including His Excellency, expressing sincere thanks for the same. Maharashtra Mandal, Qatar last year completed 25 years and celebrated its silver jubilee. During last 25 years, MMQ has earned good image among Indian community in Qatar through cultural, educational, philanthropical activities. Last physical event, which was held in QNCC in January 2020, and we had to arrange 2 shows of Marathi drama as the response was overwhelming. So about 1,000 people attended that particular drama. During this year, when second COVID wave struck to India under the well-thought launch of Heal India campaign, MMQ was instrumental in getting sponsorship donations to the tune of 72,000 plus Qatari riyals. This was historical, and we got great support from our MMQ members, and we express sincere thanks through this platform. Embassy of India, ICBF, whole community worked tirelessly and supported through dispatching oxygen cylinders and concentrators, etc. It was possible due to the visionary ambassador and the team. MMQ during COVID was never quiet. We were connected with our community by organizing various online programs and events. And we received overwhelming responses from them for each and every event what we organized. During our last meeting with His Excellency Ambassador, he gave guidelines in order to move ahead. Accordingly, we are starting with this Maharashtrian Culture and Food Fiesta. We have planned to organize various programs under India at 75 during this auspicious year. Since the vaccination drive all over the world is picking up, felt that we are at a final stage of COVID-19 before it gets eradicated. We also are looking forward to be a part of the major event of FIFA World Cup scheduled in 2022 under the guidance from Embassy of India and Apex bodies. MMQ, through its dedication, quality, and huge talent, will showcase and organize various programs under those forthcoming major events. Thank you so much, and thanks to all. What is most important is to preserve our culture, togetherness, and it's possible through guidance from higher-ups and support from the community, and we are marching ahead. Thank you so much.